this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the headrest with ease. The headrest is able to be adjusted up and down via this button on the side. All you have to do is push it in and slide the headrest down. You don't need to push it in to pull the headrest up. If you want to remove the headrest completely, what you need to do is come around to this side and you'll see a little push button just here. What you want to do is you want to push that in and push the headrest up just a little bit. Once it's pushed it, you'll see that it's depressed once you push the headrest up. Then what you want to come back to is come back around to the adjustment side, push that in, lift the headrest up. You'll see on the bar that there's a little notch on the last segment that you need to press to fully disengage. Then just to reinsert, you just line up the holes and slide it back down. If you want to fully depress, push the button in and it will slide down to the next notch. And you do it again for the last one. So just to recap, to fully remove the headrest, you want to push in the button, slide it to its full height, come around to the other side, get a screwdriver or something else that you can do, push in the button, lift it up a fraction till that stays engaged, come back around to the other side, push in the adjustment button, lift up just that fraction more, and it will fully disengage. If you have any other questions about this, just leave a comment in the section. Thank you for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos that are going to be upcoming. Thank you for watching.